Using Varo Advance allows you to access short-term cash advances directly from your Varo bank account. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Varo Advance. Check eligibility. Ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. You need to have an active Varo bank account that is at least 30 days old, and you must have had at least $1,000 in direct deposits within the past 31 days. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo mobile app on your smartphone and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Varo Advance. On the app's home screen, tap on the Advances tab or find the Varo Advance option in the menu. Select Advance Amount. Choose the amount you wish to advance. Varo offers advances up to $100 depending on your eligibility. You can typically choose between $20, $50, or $100. Confirm advance. Review the terms and fees associated with the advance. Varo Advance may have a small fee based on the amount you borrow. Confirm the advance to have the funds deposited into your Varo bank account immediately. Repayment. The advance will be automatically repaid on your next direct deposit, or you can repay it manually through the app before the due date. Track your advances. Keep track of your advances and repayments within the app. Varo provides a detailed summary of your advances under the Advances tab.